Hi guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel, Ellie and
Ari.
Today we are so excited because we are going to be getting a dog, and we're going to call her Maya. She was a homeless dog in Hungary, and we got her from a charity called Hungry Hearts, and she is just about arriving in England now, and we are just about to go in about half an hour to go and get her.
So
yay!
Here are some of the things that we got for Maya already. So we have this dog bed, collar, this squeaky elephant, and some other toys and balls and stuff, and tennis balls.
And we've also got
Leads,
harnesses.
and harnesses.
But we think she's going to be pretty nervous at the beginning, just like Ariana said. So she might not play with all the toys all at first, but she's just got to get used to us.
So now we're about to leave to go and get her.
Exciting! So this is little Maya, and she is absolutely adorable. We've had her for about 5 hours now. And she's just
getting used to us.
Yeah, she's getting used to us. She's a bit nervous, but she loves having some cuddles, don't she?
Yeah, she's really friendly.
Yeah, she's been out in the garden. She's sniffed all the house, and now she's going back in the house. Because she's just travelled the whole way across Europe, so she's
letting her settle in.
Yeah, so we're not going to go out for walks or start to train her. That will all start tomorrow.
Yeah, so we're just going to let her settle in. She's still a little nervous, but that's okay.
The day that we got her, Maya had so much fun exploring and checking out her new house. Whee! Good girl.
I'm so happy here. She rubs a rub on her tummy.
Yes.
Good girl.
Little floppy ears.
Well done, Maya. After a tiring day, Maya had settled down into her bed.
So, Maya has now woken up. It's the next morning, but she did wake us up quite early in the morning. She came, her collar went jingling upstairs. And now she's just relaxing in the bed. Having a nice cuddle. She's had lots of cuddles.
So she's just having a cuddle in the bed now.
Yeah. Had lots of cuddles.
Girl, Maya.
Watching the mousies.
Yeah, we're introducing Maya to the mousies.
Whoa! Fast girl, Maya.
We hope you've enjoyed seeing our new rescue dog, Maya, settle into her new home. And of course, we cannot forget to thank the lovely charity Hungry Hearts Dog Rescue for rescuing Maya and hundreds of other dogs who are in need of loving homes. will keep you posted on Maya's progress in lots of other videos. Bye for now.